Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about a massive investigation into Ram trucks. And this is going to involve 1.2 million of them to be exact. Now, before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, it helps a small channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell. We have a lot of great content coming up, and I don't want you guys to miss it. Subscribing is free. So NHTSA is investigating Ram for a rollaway risk that happened after the recall fix did happen. They've had 14 vehicle owner complaints and 6 death and injury reports connected to the faulty recall fixes. So as you guys know, we always hope that when a manufacturer issues a recall, that recall fixes the concern and we're all good, right? Well, unfortunately, in this one, it's potentially not fixed at all. The National Highway Safety Administration, or NHTSA, as we call it, has opened an investigation into 1.187 million Ram trucks for a potential post-recall failure in the transmission system. The investigation is being conducted by NHTSA's Office of Defects. Investigation is not yet a full recall for the Safety Administration, but does stem from 2 previous recalls for the same vehicles. According to the ODI, the investigation will review the effectiveness of the remedies in a pair of recalls that occurred in 2017 and 2018. The first, labeled 17V as in Victory 21 and covered nearly 1.5 million trucks. The second was labeled 18V as in Victor 100 and covered another 180,000. The issue, both then and now, affects a subset of Ram trucks equipped with column-mounted shifters. According to NHTSA documents in the original recall, the brake transmission shift interlock system could get stuck in the open position, allowing the trucks to be shifted out of park without a key in the ignition or any pressure on the brake pedal. As of this last week, NHTSA has received 14 of those complaints that have ended in 6 deaths and injury reports, and that is not a good thing. So basically, they're looking into that recall and checking that. Again, there's not a national recall as of yet, but the investigation is showing that the recall fix did not potentially fix the issue, and they're trying to figure that out. Now, as always, when it comes to recalls, you can go to NHTSA's website. I will link that down below, and you can go over there and search any of your vehicles. You'll need your VIN, your license plate, and it's free to do. Remember, safety recalls are typically free to be repaired for the life of the vehicle, no matter which owner you are. And it is very, very important that if you have one of these vehicles that was part of that recall, that you get in there and do that. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, what vehicles does this actually cover? This covers Ram 1500 and heavy duties from 2013 to 2018, and they were involved in the recalls that happened from 2017 to 2018. You can always contact NHTSA. You can always contact Chrysler Ram and see if they can help you out with that to determine if you are indeed involved in that recall. As always, guys, this is a safety thing, so stay up on checking your recalls, making sure that you, your family, your workers, and anybody else that uses your vehicles is always safe. Appreciate you guys being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.